Good day, everyone. Jeff here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today we are displaying a 2024 Chaparral 30 OSX powered by twin Mercury V10 350s. This boat comes equipped with a beautiful aft lounger that will fold both aft and forward. Also has this beautiful pivot seat to give you the center console ride. 116 hours as Axios joystick, trim tabs, dual Simrad screens, and obviously Mercury vessel view. JL audio system, nice size bow lounger. Beautifully done boat, very well taken care of. Has a nice large cuddy underneath, complete with a head and a freshwater sink. Again, here we are, Jeff at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. We are on a 2024 Chaparral 30 OSX. 573-606-3035. Have a great day.